A physical map of a chromosome or a physical map of a genome is such a map that shows the physical location of the genes and other DNA sequences on the chromosomes or on the genome. So if we define that what are physical mapping of the genomes, physical map is such a map in which we can see or we can map the physical locations of the gene or the sequence of the DNA on the genomes. Usually, genetic mapping provides insufficient information about the exact location of the genes. When we perform genetic mapping, so we cannot know the exact location of the genes on the map. So for identification of the exact location of the genes on the genome, we have to perform the physical mapping of the genomes. In case of genetic mapping that has limited accuracy, there are two reasons of that limited accuracy. That can be the resolution of genetic map depends on the number of crossover that have been observed or performed. In addition to this, genetic map have limited accuracy. So, for performing the physical map, like in humans, even the detailed genetic map lack the required information. So, we have to perform the physical map for the complete information of the genomes in case of humans. Therefore, a physical map derived directly from the genomic DNA sequence rather than the recombinations has been generated. This is the difference between the cytogenetic map, genetic map, and physical map. Here we can see that in case of cytogenetic maps, genes are located by fish and we cannot know the exact location of the genes on the chromosome. We can see the bending pattern on the chromosomes, but we cannot see the exact location of the genes. While in case of linkage mapping, which is usually performed with the help of genetic markers that also do not show the exact location of the genes. While in case of physical mapping, that is performed by sequencing the genomes. So by sequencing the genomes, we can know the exact location of the genes on the chromosomes. This is another diagram in which we can correlate different maps like the genetic map, cytogenetic map, and the physical map. In case of genetic map that are usually in the form of centimorgans, cytogenetic map, they are in the form of bending patterns. This is the P arm and this is the Q arm, and here we can see the bending pattern on the chromosomes. But in case of physical map, we can sequence the DNA and we can find the exact nucleotide sequence of the genomes, and we can also find the exact location of the genes. Here is the comparison of a physical map or a detailed structure of a physical map in which we can see the DNA in the form of MBs. 0 MB, 1 MB, 2 MB, and 3 MB. This is a marker that is located at 3 MB location. So these are the genes. There is another marker that is around about between 7 MB to 8 MB DNA. So this is expanded view of the same map in which we can see that these are the genes which are present somewhere between 1 MB and 2 MB of the DNA. So with the help of physical maps, we can know the exact location of the genes and we can identify the exact sequence of the DNA that makes a specific gene. Physical mapping of the genomes, the example is in case of humans. In case of humans, there are 24 physical maps, 22 are autosomes, one physical map of the X chromosome and another is of Y chromosome. Types of the physical map are presented in order of increasing resolution S. Here, these are the different types of the physical map in which the lowest resolution is of cytogenetic map, then the restriction map, then fluorescent in situ hybridization, then sequence tag site map, and then nucleotide sequence map. So this is the list of physical map resolution. So the lowest resolution is in form of cytogenetic map, and the highest resolution is in the form of nucleotide sequence, and all these are different types of the physical mapping of the genomes. For performing the physical mapping of the genomes, different types of the vectors or plasmids are used. Those plasmids, they are plasmids, phagemids, cosmids, yeast artificial chromosome, and bacterial artificial chromosome. In case of human physical mapping of the human genome, mostly yeast artificial chromosome and bacterial artificial chromosome have been used as the vectors or as the plasmids. So if we conclude that what are physical map of the genomes, a physical map of a chromosome or a physical map of a genome is such a map that shows the exact location of the genes or the exact sequence of the DNA. And the lowest resolution physical map is the bending pattern, that is called as cytogenetic maps, and the highest resolution physical map is called as nucleotide sequence of the genomes.